always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted to eat a spinach and cheese feta pie but could never do it because you wanted to stay in ketosis and remain on a keto diet? Well, I've got the alternative answer today for you. I'm going to make a spinach and feta cheese frittata that will taste like a spinach pie. It may not look like a spinach pie, but you can have all the benefits of those ingredients without having to worry about carbs or pastry. So if you're interested to see me make this spanakopita or a pita men spinaci veggiat or just a spinach and cheese pie, then please keep watching. So for this recipe you're going to need 4 eggs, a head of spinach. This particular spinach has come out of my garden. You're going to need 200 grams of Greek feta cheese or Australian feta, it doesn't matter, and about 4 tablespoons of sour cream, and your condiments will consist of salt, pepper, and probably some garlic, salt or granulated garlic. So first of all, I'm just going to whisk the eggs. Going to just crumble in the feta. You can just use your hands, no drama. I'm going to add the sour cream. Give that a good mix. I'm going to add the eggs. Some salt, some pepper. Give it a really good mix. Get that all incorporated and combined. Now once it's combined, you've got to grease probably a 10-inch pie flan. I've greased it with some coconut oil and we're just going to add the mixture. And on the top I'm just going to add some extra greens. Now I'm going to bake this for about 40 minutes at around 180 degrees. My spinach, feta cheese frittata or a la deconstructed spinach pie has come out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool, cut a slice and then do a taste test. It's out of the oven. I've just cut a slice and I'm about to do a taste test. This is a spinach and cheese pie. There's no pastry, so it's low carb, keto friendly, high in protein, high in good fats. You won't feel guilty about eating it. The spinach is out of my garden. What more could you ask for? Absolutely delicious. So on that note everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching me make a deconstructed spinach and feta cheese pie the keto friendly way. I'm going to finish this off now and I shall check you in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. This is delicious. Check you later. Bye for now. What do you think, Mum? Is it delicious?
Delicious.
Very delicious?
Very delicious.
Thank you, Mum.